These are the elevators of the Doubletree Hotel in Jefferson City, Missouri. These are ritually Westinghouses modernized by ThyssenKrupp. Let's start. We'll go down first. So here we go. These are modernized. And here it is. Let's go down to the garage level. Here we go. Traction. Here are the garage level. Let's go to the penthouse, which is the restaurant. Here we go. Here are the penthouse, which is the restaurant. Let's go back down to the lobby. These are your fixtures, Innovation Universal fixtures, Order Style fixtures. There's your phone, fornicator. Here are the lobby. Alright, that's it. And that's it.